Hello. Welcome back to my channel. This is Funmibi here again with another video. In today's video, we're going to be making this padded interlocked Asooke headband. I got a request from one of my sweethearts on here. She sent me a message on Instagram and sent me a picture as well of what she wants me to recreate on my channel, and I went ahead to do just that. So in today's tutorial, we're going to be making this very easy to make Asooke headband. Even though the headband gave me a bit of a headache when I was making it, I was able to make something really cute. And yeah guys, I'm going to be sharing all of it with you guys in today's video. So if you've been interested in knowing all about this, please make sure you watch the video to the end, subscribe, like, share, and all that good stuff. Alright guys, let's get straight into the tutorial. Let's go. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off by showing you everything you need. You need a piece of foam, you need your plastic headband, you also need your ruler, you also need a piece of Asooke or your preferred fabric. Really, you can use any fabric for this particular tutorial. You also need your glue stick and your glue gun, of course, for this particular tutorial. So the very first thing we're going to be doing is working on the headband and the foam. I have a video on how to do this. I'm going to link it on this screen, so feel free to go check that out just so you know how to make your own homemade padded headband. So next thing I'm going to do now is quickly work on my Asooke. This is a single aware or single piece of Asooke. When you buy Asooke, it comes in pieces that we call aware. So this single piece, I'm going to divide it into two, and after dividing it, I had 60 inches each of the two pieces. So the full length of that aware was about 120 inches. I divided it into two, and now I have 60 inches. So what I want to do now is pipe my Asooke. I've done this a lot of time on here on my channel, so I know that a lot of you guys already know how that goes. If you're new on my channel, I'm going to link a tutorial that's going to help you out with piping your Asooke. So once that is done, what you want to do now is start to interlock, or should I call it intertwine, your Asooke that you already piped all around this padded piece of headband. So you're going to start off by applying some glue onto the inner part of your padded headband, right? And then you start to now go round and round. Explaining this particular step might be a bit difficult for me, but make sure you watch as I go along in this particular tutorial. So you want to apply a bit of glue on the edge of the previously intertwined piece of Asooke, and then I'll start to go around like that. Like I said, explaining this might be a bit difficult, so just make sure that you're watching everything that I'm doing on here for you guys. So I'm going to take out this time to just welcome new people and welcome you guys again to my channel. So if this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. My name is Funmibi, and I make videos like this where I just share how to make beautiful pieces of items for yourself, for your clients, for your loved ones, for anybody around you really that you feel like making something nice for. I'm such a huge DIY lover, and I come on here from time to time to just share tutorials on how I make beautiful pieces for myself with you guys, so you can also go ahead to make that for your loved one. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel and you've been enjoying everything I've been showing you so far from the beginning of my video, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and join me on here. Also, share this channel with your friends. Like this video if you've been enjoying watching, or if you are enjoying what you're watching. If you're a returning subscriber as well, thank you guys so much for the love and support. I appreciate every single one of you, and yeah guys, thank you so much. So what I'm doing now is I'm just going round and round like I mentioned earlier, applying some glue, intertwining my Asooke and all of that. After doing this, I realized that I could have done something better with this particular piece of Asooke headband that I'm making. So the thing that I would have done differently if I knew earlier on was I would have kind of penciled out the edge of my Asooke. So if you guys can notice, the beginning part of my intertwining is kind of chunky. I don't know how to explain what I'm trying to say, but I hope you guys understand. So I would have kind of penciled out the mouth just a little bit, just to make the going around the Asooke, right, going around the padded headband now, just to have made it kind of seamless, because right here I had to be doing a lot of tucking in and pushing in and all of that. So if you guys want me to make another video where I kind of make the adjustments that I would have loved to make on this particular headband, let me know. But if you guys know that you're going to take out time to just make those corrections on your own piece of Asooke too, let me know in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think. Do you want me to make another video similar to this, but then this time I'll be making some adjustments and corrections in the next video. If you would like to see that, let me know down in the comment section. So what I'm doing now is I'm just going round and round. So the next thing after doing this, because we've gotten to the edge of this particular piece of headband, we've gotten to the end now. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to now work on that second piece that I cut off. So you remember at the beginning I told you guys that my long strip of Asooke was 120 inches long, and I divided it into two, so I had 60 inches each of two pieces of Asooke. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to repeat the same step that I did on this, kind of pipe that second piece, and then I'll start to intertwine. This time is going to be in the opposite direction. You guys will see what I'm talking about when I go ahead to do that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to my sewing machine, kind of pipe the second piece of Asooke, and then come back to show you guys what I mean by intertwining in an opposite direction. Alright guys, so this is what we have now. If you don't mind, you can stop here. This particular Asooke looks like a vibe, right? But because I wanted to replicate exactly what my sweetheart sends to me on Instagram, I went ahead to do that. And now this is my second piece of Asooke. So I'm kind of intertwining this time, starting from the opposite direction of where I started from the other time. So with the first piece of Asooke, I started on the right side of my padded headband. So this time I'm starting from the left side now, so that my intertwining will be going in an opposite direction to give me kind of an interlocked finish when I'm done, going round and round my Asooke. I feel like a lot is going on in this particular tutorial, but I hope you guys understand me still. Like I said earlier, if you want me to make another video with the corrections that I would have loved to make in this particular tutorial, let me know down in the comment section. Let me know what you think in general. Just let me know. Give me feedback, okay guys? Let me know. So I'm just going to keep quiet for now and let you guys watch as I go along in this particular tutorial. And it's hard to resist cause I need ya. And it's hard to be here cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Holding a couple, get to you clean and proper. Way I move, I know you can love her. You gon' have me on your mind forever. Ever, thanks baby. Turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you took it all night. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking. Alright guys, so remember at the introduction of this particular video, I told you that this Asooke headband kind of gave me a headache. So now that I was getting towards the end of my Asooke headband, right, I noticed that I had a very, very long strip of Asooke that was still left for me to go around with. So what I did was I got to the end of the Asooke and then I now started, intertwining again in the opposite direction till I got to the other end, and then I now cut off whatever I had left with me. I hope you guys understand everything I just said. So the idea of this particular tutorial is you want to keep going round and round with your piped piece of Asooke and just keep intertwining and interlocking till you get your desired finish. You might not be able to understand everything I'm saying just from just listening to me talk, but then I feel like when you go ahead to start intertwining on your own piece of padded headband, you've kind of get a hang of it. So this is me now at the end of my Asooke after the whole hustle and everything. So what I did was I went ahead to get my needle and thread to just close up the mouth of the ends, right? Because my foam inside the padded headband was peeping out, so I had to just press down that edge and then use my needle and thread to just sew and close up all that foam and shenanigans going on inside the headband. So for the ends of the headband, right, the last points when I finished intertwining, those points were kind of sharp and then poking me, so I went ahead to use my velvet ribbon to just cover up that part so that when I wear it on my headband I don't have anything pulling on my hair strands and all of that, because Asooke kind of has like this kind of thick coarse finish to it. So I used this my velvet ribbon to just cover it, and this is the finished result. I also went ahead to add a piece of elastic. So this elastic is about 5 inches long, and this is just to allow this headband sit perfectly on my head. This is a hack that I've been doing for all the headbands that I've been making over the past couple of weeks, and this makes it makes my headband sit perfectly on my head and even on my client's head. And this is me now wearing this interlocked headband. This headband is so beautiful. I wore it to church on this particular day and it just looked absolutely stunning on me. So if you enjoyed watching this tutorial, please be sure to give me a big fat thumbs up. Also, if you made it out to this end of this video and you're yet to be subscribed to my channel, please, 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 I'm almost at 4,000 subscribers and I need your help in attaining that milestone on here on my channel. So please be sure to smash the subscribe button and join me. Like this video, okay? Please, please, please like this video, like as I'm talking right now, okay? Like this video, share it with your friends as well, people that would love this kind of tutorial. And yeah, guys, I can't wait to see you again next week. Love and appreciate you. Bye. Mwah.